need for a launch trolley. You know, you don't even need a roof rack for the fucking piece of shit. Right, on with the test.
Have you taken all safety precautions, Richie?
Yeah, every time I've had sex. You can have a test paddle. No, straddle the man. Straddle it. I think that's the thing. Don't you? Or maybe flat. Oh, I don't know, it might not. No. Hang on. Oh well, at least I'll wash my dry suit.
How's it handled, Richie? What's the second stability like?
Like a pig. Right, smile. Hang on.
The trouble with all these new yaks, you just can't get used to it, can you?
No, I'll tell you what, the seating position's a bit uncomfortable. I've got to trap it between my legs.
You want to get some pedals on it.
No.
Just to summarise, Richie, how was it?
It's a total piece of shit.